Hey beautiful people, it's Courtney. Welcome back. Today I got a slime unboxing for you. Got another popular slimer that I'm going to be reviewing for the first time, so I'm super excited to try out their slimes. This is going to be from Raindrop Slimes, as you could tell from the title of this video. But I hope you guys are going to enjoy it. Please let me know in the comments down below what slimer you'd like me to unbox next, and I will definitely get around to it. I have some coming up that I'm really excited about. And before we get started, I have my shout out squad of the video. Now this week they are coming from Instagram, so if you want to be featured in my next video, make sure to go give me a follow on Instagram and leave a comment just on any of my new pictures, and you could be featured in my new video. I'm gonna throw this out there because I feel like I need to do this in a lot of these videos where there's famous slimers and some really passionate fans, which is great, but these are my 100% honest opinion. If you don't like it, exit out of this video. As always, I'm not gonna lie and say every single thing is amazing if it's not. I'm gonna tell you guys the good things that I love, the bad things if there are any, and that is how I give an honest review. I'm not a big fan of reviews that say every single thing is great. I don't think it's helpful feedback, and I don't think it lets you guys know as a buyer what works and what doesn't. So I almost feel like silly even saying that, but I feel like it's something that needs to be said, because as soon as these videos show up on like the trending pages where my non-subscribers start watching it, my subscribers are usually incredibly nice. The non-subscribers kind of come out of the woodworks and just like to put hate comments. So not gonna be tolerated. I feel like it's sad that I even have to say that, and sad that so many people are mean about slime on social media. Anyways, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Really quickly, before we get started with the video, I wanted to let you guys know that I have a new slime YouTube channel with tons of slime ASMR compilations, so I'll link it down below. Definitely make sure to go check it out if you want to see more slime videos in the future. Alrighty, so I ended up getting 3 4-ounce slimes from Raindrop Slime, and the total came out to $33, so about $11 a slime, which includes shipping. Everything was in package super well and nicely, nothing leaked, nothing cracked, and it also came with extras and some Kit Kat bars, which I was super excited about. Who doesn't love chocolate? This first slime is Lemon Cake Pop Floam, which is a yellow foam slime that smells like lemons. It was a tad bit sticky, but I just added some activator to it, but it had the most amazing thick texture. I've never felt anything like it. I absolutely was obsessed with this texture. Now it had some foam beads in it, and it was supposed to have gold flakes. I saw like 1 or 2. I didn't really see many of those, but the texture of this is so nice. It has a nice lemon smell that isn't too overpowering, and it just smells really good. But the texture just made this for me. I've never felt such a thick, like, it just had a really cool consistency. I loved this one. Is Sugar Cookie Cloud Slime, and it smells just like yellow cake batter. It smells so good, and it has some sprinkles on top, which I thought was really cute. So at first I wasn't sure about this because it did have a very wet texture. Now I know that's pretty normal for cloud slimes, and I've tried a lot of different cloud slimes, and this definitely seemed like a little more wet and crumbly to me. So I wasn't sure at first how I was gonna like this until I started to like make it into a cloud consistency and then let it fall, because oh my gosh, you guys, this has the best cloud effect I have ever tried in a slime. It's amazing. It really just like, it made me overlook kind of like the wetness to it, and it was just an incredible cloud slime. So I loved this, and it smelled so delicious. I was really impressed like with how great the effect was. Last but not least, we have this lavender cream slime, and this one is unscented, and it's this really pretty purple color. Now this is a fluffy, non-deflating slime. That's what it's described as on the website. To me, it looks more and feels more like a really nice butter slime. So I would kind of consider this more like a butter slime than a fluffy slime, because it's definitely very spreadable and you know, I don't know, I just feel like it's more of a butter slime, but I loved the consistency of it. I actually thought it was a butter slime until I went back online and looked, and it wasn't called that, so I was kind of surprised. But it's really nice, and I actually found that this ended up self-inflating even more, so when I went to put it away, it was actually even bigger than what it started with. Overall, I was really happy with these slimes, and I definitely think I got my money's worth, so I was super impressed, and I would highly recommend Raindrop slimes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a thumbs up if you made it to the end of the video, and leave a comment. Come say hi. I love to chat with you guys, and if you missed my last videos, as always, you can click on over to the side of me, and I'll talk to you very soon. Bye!